Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing the May 2021 PreCuts Classic Quilt Box. So if you're new to these boxes, they are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. They come with all kinds of goodies inside, patterns, notions, and of course fun fabric. I will put a link in the description box below this video on where you can get this box. Let's see what's inside the May 2021 box. So if you're new to PreCuts, all of their boxes have this fun little insert in them. It tells you all of the products that are in your box, the retail value. They've also started something new, and that is adding in blocks of the month. So each month you get a small pattern that has a block for you to make. And then when you have enough blocks, you can put them together in a fun sampler quilt. So here's this month's block. It's just a cute, simple star block, definitely beginner friendly and fairly easy to put together. There's also a note from the creator inside, and then this month's box is featuring poppy cotton fabric, which is most of you know are one of my favorites, and so they did a little feature on Miss Lori Woods, who is one of the owners of Poppy Cotton Fabric, and a little bio for her as well. So there's a little bit of information about Lori and Gina in here, who are the owners of Poppy Cotton. Super fun and cute. And then on the back side, there are some coupon codes. It looks like you can save 25% on an order or free shipping on orders over 25 using those coupon codes. And then as always, if you share your boxes on social media with the hashtag PreCuts Quilt Shop or PreCuts Quilt Box, you can enter to win next month's box for free. So they have all that information on the back of here and the winner from last month as well. All right, let's see what's inside this month's box. So the first thing in this month's box is this Metler thread, and they always put Metler in these boxes, so if you're a fan of Metler, you will probably like the PreCuts Classic Quilt boxes. This is their Silk Finish 50 weight solid cotton thread. This is in blue curacao, I think that's how you say it, and it looks like there is 164 yards on this spool, and it retails for about $4. The next thing in our box is this Lori Holt Nifty Needle Pack, and it has, let's see, the tube includes 18 binding needles, perfect for all your sewing needs, and it looks like they're color-coded to help you keep organized so you know which needle is which. This little pack of needles values at $3. And I'm not sure, hopefully you can see in there, but the tops of the needles look like they're color-coded in pink, so you can have, so you can keep them straight if they get out of their little case right here. The next thing in our box is this really fun pattern here. This is called the Trinket Box Quilt Pattern. It retails for $13, and it includes colored illustrations, fabric requirements, cutting instructions, sewing instructions, pressing tips, layout and assembly instructions, and coloring pages, plus obviously the pattern, which is really cool. And it looks like you can do it in two different sizes. On the back here, it looks like you have a 60 by 60 or a 72 by 72. So they have kind of this grand center if you want to change it up a little bit and make just a larger project with this. This is adorable. It's so cute. All right, so it's really thick in there. It's got all of the instructions on kind of 8 by 10 sheets. It also includes some layout directions, and you could even use these as templates if you wanted to. However, this box also comes with the templates for the pattern, and these retail for $21. They're an acrylic set of templates. Let me turn them around here so you can kind of see them. It contains 4 acrylic templates for you to use for this project. You can use it to trace around your applique shapes, and then it makes it a lot easier. Of course, you're still going to be having to cut these out, so I think that's going to be, you know, a little bit of work because it's all curved pieces, but it's absolutely adorable pattern. So you get the written pattern with the templates and everything, but you also get these acrylic templates to go with it, which is awesome. Now, like I mentioned, this is an applique quilt, so you'll be using these templates to cut out all of your little pieces, and then you'll be appliquing them onto a larger piece that will become your finished block. Now, if you haven't done applique before, I really encourage you to give this a try because it's a lot of fun, and it's actually one of the first things I tried when I first started quilting, just to kind of get it out of the way. Plus, there was a pattern I loved called Playful Petals by Corey Yoder, and it just was enough inspiration, and it was a simple enough pattern that I'm like, I can do this. And so I just went ahead and tried it. I had so much fun, and you can really do a lot with applique. Now, there's a couple different ways to do applique. You can either cut 2 pieces, one of like a background, just plain white fabric, and one of your fun fabric, sew them together around the drawn template, and then turn them right side out, and then you press it and you have like a really nice finished edge. Or another fun way to do that is to just fuse your fun fabric onto something like a heat and bond, a fusible, and then you can trace those images on there, cut them out, peel off the backing, and then actually fuse it to your main quilt block, and then just stitch around the edges. And it kind of gives you a different look. So instead of a finished edge, you have a little bit of a raw edge, but it's just kind of a little bit fuzzy around the edges. So it just gives it a different look, and I think it makes it a little bit more fun. So I kind of like to do the heat and bond method just because I like that little bit of texture around my edges. And you don't get it right away. It happens like over time as you wash your quilt, but you can do your applique however you prefer. I just wanted to kind of throw that out to give you guys some ideas, and I wanted to encourage you to give this a try because it is a lot of fun. And last but not least, we have an adorable pile of poppy cotton fabrics. I told you at the beginning of the video that they were the fabric designer for this month's box, and this is their Dots and Posies line. And I'll just go through and show you each of the fabrics here really quickly. There's some fun stripes. We've got blue and pink versions of the stripes. There's this fun gingham print, a fun floral, some more of that gingham. So a pink version. They do have this fun hexie print in this line, and you can actually, I like to use these for bags and things like that. Placemats would be really cute. And then you can just quilt around the edges like you actually pieced it, but you didn't. So it's kind of a cheater print. So lots of fun. Here's their, I think this is the main line. So it's the dots with the roses. Here's another version of that. A blue. We've got some more stripes. What is this? Oh, little bows. Little bows. Here's a blue version of the bows. I'm having a hard time holding all of these because there's so many. How many's in this? We've got some yellow polka dots, some red and pink polka dots. This fun, it's kind of a corally pink color, I guess I should say. Some more roses, blue roses, some pink roses, and then another blue dot. So that is 22 fat eighth prints. A fat eighth is a half of a fat quarter, so 9 by 21. So that is a ton of fabric, you guys. It retails for $41, and it's just so fun and pretty, and I think it would just make an adorable quilt, the Trinket Box quilt pattern. All right, so that's everything that came in this month's box. I am always blown away by the amount of fabric that comes in the PreCuts classic quilt boxes. They really don't skimp on it. They put so much fun stuff in there, and so I just think it's totally worth it. Now with shipping, this box is, let's see, $8.85 for shipping for this month, so total box value is $90.85. So $90 worth of value. I always think that is so amazing. The boxes themselves are $55 a month, but as you can see, you get a ton of product in these boxes. So if you're interested in getting your hands on one of these boxes, definitely visit the PreCutsQuiltShop.com website. I will put it right here on the screen. I'll also put a link in the description box below the video on where you can get the boxes. If you just go to their main page and then just scroll about halfway down, there's a box on there that says subscribe to our quilt boxes. And they actually have two different ones. This is the classic box, so you get patterns, fabric, and some notions as you saw. They also have a modern stash builder box, which is just all fabric, and you get 16 fat quarters of fabric every month in the box. And when you get it, the box is like bulging full of fabric. It's awesome, and they pick some of the most fun and exciting new prints out there, so you're always getting a huge box of fun fabric. So definitely stop by their website and check it out. So I have a little surprise for you guys. I already have this whole stash of poppy cotton fabric in my stash back here because, as you know, I am quite a fan. So I'm going to give it all away to one of you. Actually, I'm going to give away the whole box to one of you. So you'll get everything that came in this month's box. So to enter to win, leave a comment below this video letting me know what your favorite type of video from me is. Do you like these unboxings? Do you like bag tutorials? Would you like to see more quilt block tutorials? What would you like to see coming forward on this channel? Leave that in the comment section below, and I will pick one winner and announce it in the next video. And along those same lines, I actually have the winner from last month's box, so let's get that right now. So this month's winner is Bridget at Raff & Craft. So congratulations, Bridget. Please make sure to email me at erica@confessionsofahomeschooler.com and I will get your prize sent out. You won this beautiful jelly roll from Poppy Cotton along with some other fun goodies. So go ahead and get in touch with me and I'll get that sent out ASAP. For everyone else, make sure to enter to win today's giveaway in the comment section below this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked it, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. It also includes some templates in here. So this is a hefty pattern, guys. Sorry guys, whoever wins this box, Jax is eating your pattern. Oh my word. And I'm just gonna go through and we'll just show you each of the fabrics. What happened to my camera? Hey. And then next in our box, I have this entire pile of lovely fabric. These are, thank you, Jax. He just is knocking stuff off the table because it's fun. Okay. And I'm assuming it's really thick in here, and I don't want to open it because I'm actually going to be giving this box away at the end. I suppose we could look. So Bridget, make sure to email me at erica@confessionsofahomeschooler.com. Erica@confession, yeah. Make sure to email me and I will get your price sent out ASAP.